The Philippines. Ayan na. Behind the scenes.
Happy birthday!
Nagpapanik na lahat.
Dali lang, may tagal lang ang cellphone. Ikaw na lang. Wala na. Kaya picture to po. Kaya kita para ba sa ada seni. Sa
Kaway-kaway ka. Ba-vlog ako. Wave. Alam niyo ba dati, nung bata kami, sabi nila, nak-picture ka dyan. Tapos ngayon, nak-picturean mo ko. Baliktad na, ayaw na nila kami picturean. Cash out. Mag-cash out ka ulit. Hindi. Pero nagwawala siya kanina. Pag nandito si Topo, hahabulin niya yan.
And this is George, our Philippine Scout Owl. And that is Maximus, our Philippine Eagle Owl. Sa Tagalog, ang tawag sa kanila ay Wago.
Wago. Wago.
Ang tawag sa kanya ay Musa. Kasi ang kain panigipul. So his eyesight is also excellent.
Si Cole.
Now I put it under the first cat. Ronnie, Jimmy,
Kamukha ni Cole.
he found it. Wow!
Ang galing!
Known as a bear cat. That long bushy tail. It helps you just like that. Wow. And that's a busy one. You will have some of this.
Bats.
Bats. Sa Tagalog?
Panike.
Paniki. Let's see if you're right. And yes, you are
Yo!
right.
That's crazy! That's huge!
The largest bat will have a wingspan of 5 feet long.
Holy shit!
And that he's out, so he can move along.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yung betlog niya. Damn!
Snake palabas yung dila nila, diba? They try this sometimes. How about way below them?
I want to touch him. Can I pet that dog?
Alright.
Nakakainis. Paano kayo lang dito pinipicture? Wala pa akong ano. Oo, nakukuha sa video pagsusukit. Hindi, nagre-reklamo ko sa ano. Oo, yun, nagre-reklamo mo. Ayan, naging na.
So, nandito ako sa Voyager Aquarium. Ginawa tripod yung nanay nyo. Heels on.
Tell stories of dolphins saving lost sailors of the sea.
Say hi! Okay, now that blowhole has a lid that opens and closes so no water gets inside. Since you know Michael Phelps, do you know Michael Jackson? Yes, and what do you call this now? Come on, tell me. That's right. Well, you know what? If Michael Jackson can walk, dolphins, they can walk on water. Show them!
Yes, sir!
You see that? I told you they can walk on water.
Dito. What are we having? Oh, that looks nice.
Kita naman niya. Ayan pa.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Lala. Pero kami pa rin magtuturo.
Mag-fly ka na. Bye-bye, birdie.
Only main gate po under the mango tree. Sa
Lutang eh, ma'am.
Ayun ka lang, hindi ka pala.
Tuhod, ma'am. Yung, medyo madalas, ma'am, ha? Ipitin mo ng hita mo, ma'am. Ipitin mo ng hita. Tapos yung kamay, ma'am, dito. Ma'am, kaya mo pala. Yan. Para ka nag-slide lang, ma'am, ha? Hindi ka makakatayo. Ma'am, kamay. Para balance. Sige po. Yan, ma'am. Go, ma'am. Tuloy-tuloy ka na, ma'am. Tayo mo kami dun, ma'am, sa flex. Oh, relax lang, relax. Sige, ma'am.
Mag-give up na lang.
Swim na lang po kayong dalawa. Mas mahirap po yung nakaupo. Yun. Ando kayo, ma'am. Pupicture ko kayo dun sa dulo, ha?
We're done. Diretso tulog mamaya. Ate, I don't know how to make tempura. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, may cookie.
51 claps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
51. The aftermath. Matchy kami ng glasses.
May 80,000 game.
Kamukha ni Cole.
Wala
parang nalungkot tuloy yung boy.
Alam, ito. Kawala kain na. Sana, oh. Meow, 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 meow. Maa! Maa! Hi! Hello! Hi, girl! Are you nervous? White siya.
Wait siya.
Bakit white sila?
Ayaw niya.
Nag-expect siya na bibigyan mo siya pagkain doon.
Ito na lang.
Ay, kamay mo na.
Okay, siguro. Oh my God. Ba't ka galit?
Tita Zen!
Natural lang yan, Philippine government.
Gabot.
Nakuha mo naman, papahirapan ka. Para exercise nila. Dadak ina. Sana yung mataas sila. Naku. Nakain na? Oo.
Walang katulad, walang kapantay dito sa such as like this. Oh no,
Kaway ka, tita! Siza!
girl.
Vina po.
Vina?
Opo.
Vina Morales?
My 51st birthday.
Wow! Ay, mama, in fairness ha. Sana all ano, pag 51, ganun tag, ilang content na naman. I can't wait to be 51. 5 more years pa. Ang happy birthday po. Okay na po bang kakantahan namin kayo na happy birthday? Ito na po yung mga bisita natin nung nagpipicture na sila, kaya awitan ka na namin. May pa kahit mag-blow ka ng candle, hindi naman po.
Wala! Dapat ang wala.
Later. Sige po, awitan natin si Ma'am Vina ng happy birthday. Samahan niyo po kami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Tina. Thank you for choosing Civic Vision in your very special day. More birthdays to come for you. More blessings.
Video.